If you heard something like this coming from your engine, that ticking sound, you cannot ignore it. Delaying and driving with this problem can lead to very, very expensive repairs. Sometimes you can get warning lights on the dashboard indicating a problem. But the biggest indications is chuffing noise, exhaust fumes in the cabin, or even engine performance issues. When accelerating, that ticking sound intensifies the leak and worsens the symptoms. If you look under the hood at the injectors, you will clearly see gases coming out through the failed seal. You will also notice black residue, commonly known as black death, around the leaking injector and on the inside of the engine cover. And here's what you might find on your engine if you ignore the first signs and keep driving your car. All of this can happen because of this small and cheap copper washer that creates a seal at the bottom of the fuel injector and the engine head, preventing compression from blowing by. So when you identified a problem, you need to replace that copper washer. To be exact, you need to replace them all, because if one injector failed, others can fail too in the near future. If you got lucky, you can remove injectors the simple way. Otherwise, you may need the injector puller tool. Next, the blow-by will destroy the copper washer and damage the sealing surface of the engine head. How bad this is will depend on how long and how hard the engine was driven when the problem started. Now, washer needs to be removed and thrown away, and the head surface needs to be cleaned and restored with injector seat cutter tool. If you put a new copper washer onto a dirty or pitted surface, the new seal will fail almost immediately. This is what it should look like for the new seal to be installed. One more important thing for successful repair: if injectors is held by bolts, they need to be renewed because old ones can be stretched. Let's compare the engine sound with failed seal and after the repair. If you have this problem, I recommend you to watch this detailed repair video.